Hey, it's Kay, and in this video I'm so excited because I am finally going to be filming the tutorials for my honeycomb accessories bundle, which will have the honeycomb beanie, honeycomb scarf, and honeycomb fingerless gloves in them. I'll show you guys all of it a little later, but I can show you the beanie now. This is the honeycomb beanie. Eee! So nice. And I call it that because, I don't know, the stitch to me looks like little honeycombs. Once you look at it, it's like, oh shoot. At least to me it does, which is why I call it that. And I also do have a sweater that I made. That pattern I need to make a tutorial for. So that'll be out sometime December. I'm hoping to come out with this bundle at the end of November. So anyway, in this video I plan to make some beanies for my sisters. I'm going to be using the same yarn, Pound of Love, except in this little heathered black color, which is exciting. So I'll make one beanie in this color, and then I need to do a tutorial for this beanie, so that other beanie in the same color will be for my other sister. And then I think I'm going to make another black beanie as a gift. And then I need to make a tutorial for the fingerless gloves. So hopefully I can get all of that done in this video because these don't take long, but who knows, I could get distracted. I get distracted easily, guys. So anyway, okay, cool. I just wanted to get this intro out of the way. And I did want to start on my tutorials, but it's already like basically the end of the day, at least sun-wise. And yeah, I finished everything I need to do today. That's in the last vlog. So I'm just going to crochet some gifts. It's not knit. I was like gift knit. Wait. Gift crochet. Anyway. Yes. So this is the beanie I'll be crocheting. Let's get it. Guys, I just finished working out. I'm about to go to the post office with my sister to drop off some packages. And so I just put this beanie on because hair is sweaty and stuff like that. And while I'm waiting for her, I'm just finishing up putting my patterns on Ravelry, which is so cool to actually do. Cat here, cat there, cat somewhere else. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna finish this beanie today, and then I also put my clips together to edit a video. Oh, so much. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna start a tutorial today for my honeycomb beanie. So lots to do. Just wanted to let you guys know all of that, and then I'll be back. So cool. Here is my progress of the beanie. I love the way this stitch looks in this color. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. So I decided I'm gonna finish this beanie first, and then I'll get to editing my video and then posting my patterns on Ravelry, like finish doing that. And then I will do tutorials tomorrow because it's literally like, it looks bright, but it's gonna be dark in a couple hours, so yeah. Guys, my patterns are now on Ravelry. Whee! First beanie is done. This looks so good. I can't wait to show you in some daytime. Oh hey, it's me with yet another hairstyle. Currently eating pancakes. And let me show you the beanie that I finished in the daytime. That's not gonna fit over my head because my hair is so big. Look at this. Oh, this is stunning. This is beautiful. So this is for my sister. And yeah, I might have my sister's model my beanies and stuff.
Well, me not having hair?
You just look crazy the way the brim is. The way you put the hat on.
What?
Makes your head look like a cone.
I don't look crazy.
It's like, I'm working on 2 other beanies now. So this one is for my other sister, but also the tutorial that I'm working on. This one is another gift. So I had to stop doing this so that I can do this one, and I plan to finish this one today and then work on some fingerless gloves today. I need to get a move on because this is like the last full day that I have for this vlog, and then I'm ending it out tomorrow morning basically. So I need to get the move on. Okay, so I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I'm gonna get into this, watch videos and stuff. Not even gonna read. I was gonna read, but I'm like, girl, you can't read, you have a lot to do. So I'm like, okay, no reading. Watching videos, crocheting this so I can finish the tutorial, so I can do the fingerless gloves, so I can potentially finish that as well. So then I could just edit everything tomorrow, and then I can start writing up the patterns and stuff, and then I'll be able to publish the patterns by the end of November. So I think that is it for now. I'm gonna finish eating and stuff, and then we'll get into it. Anyway, hair. I missed big curly hair, you know. Straight hair really isn't for me. Like that's just not my thing, you know what I'm saying? So welcome curly hair back. Alright guys, I'm about to go pick up some food with my sister in a little bit, and I don't have my watch on. In less than 10 minutes, this is my progress on the beanie. I have 10 rows to go before I finish it, before sewing it together and stuff like that. So that's before I need to finish up the tutorial for this beanie. I'm making some good progress. It's just 12:30 right now, so I'm going to take this on a road with me while we go pick up some food, and then I'm going to finish this before I eat, because if I eat, I'm gonna want to take my time. I'm gonna want to chill, you know. So I'm gonna finish these rows, then film the rest of the tutorial, finish it up, and then eat, and then get right into the fingerless gloves, which those shouldn't take that long anyway. And hopefully I should still have some daylight to film that tutorial and finish it. If I don't end up being able to finish it, then I'll just finish it tomorrow morning, and then I'll be able to edit everything, because I'll edit this video, I'll edit the tutorial, and yeah, I should be on schedule, because then I'll be it, and then I can write up everything. So do I hear a cat crying? Okay. I was like, anyway, that's it. Ooh, okay, so my finger is stuck. Oh. Okay, I'm in a place where I'll be filming my tutorial. I just need to put this camera right here. I also need to open the blinds and stuff, so actually you can stay right there. I need to get my yarn situated. So it's gonna be right here, which is a really nice spot. I'm gonna have it like that. Okay, cool. All right, so let me open up all of these lines so we can have some good lighting. It's very cloudy, so I have to make sure like it's nice and bright, you know? Anyway, okay, now it's time to take you off this camera stand, put you on here, film, start or finish this beanie, and then start the fingerless gloves. And I think there's still enough lighting, so I think I'll be able to at least start the fingerless gloves tutorial, but fingers crossed I can finish it as well. Yes. Oh, hey guys, I'm still in the middle of filming the tutorial, but I finished the beanie. So good. So I can go ahead and give this to my sister. Well, I'll get to my sister once I'm done with this video. Yeah, because I want to show off like all the beanies and stuff like that. So that beanie's done. I started the tutorial for my fingerless gloves. So I finished the filming portion, like the beginning filming portion, and now it's time for me to just crochet the rest of the rows until I get to the next part of the tutorial. So I'm just gonna stay right here because for me it's literally just 10 rows and that's not gonna take that long, and I don't want to go downstairs and then come back up here. Like, that's just gonna take too long. So I'm gonna stay up here, I'm gonna crochet, and then yeah, this is gonna be quick. So fingers crossed the light stays light enough for me to finish off this tutorial, because then I will definitely be right on track with my scheduling. Okay, so I didn't finish the tutorial for the fingerless gloves, but that's okay because it's getting darker. I'm like, ah. So it's getting darker, so I'll just finish it off tomorrow, which is perfect anyway because I still have I can finish this first fingerless glove. I can finish this first fingerless gloves, and then I can just do the second one also tonight because there's an F1 race tonight. Crazy. It's the Vegas one, so I'm gonna be staying up for that. Starts at 8 p.m. ends at 10. Who knows whatever else will happen with it that can extend it, but either way I'm gonna be staying up tonight to finish the second fingerless gloves as well, and then I can finish off the tutorial with that one with like sewing it closed and stuff like that, and then I can show off the two, and then I'll be done. So I did the majority, the chunk that I wanted to do today, which is really good. So perfect. I'm so excited. Okay, let's relax and just work more of these gloves. Hello, good morning. Today is the day that I am going to finish out this tutorial, which is so good. All I have to do is literally show how I like sew it closed and stuff. And that's it. It's literally so bright. It's morning. Oh god, all the windows are open, so the lighting is crazy. Let's go right here. So yeah, ooh, lighting so good. Hello. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be doing literally right now. It's like 8:33 a.m. and getting it over with. Okay, so do that and then I'll be able to start editing. But that's gonna be in the next video, all the editing and stuff like that. But let me show you my fingerless gloves and everything. Did I leave the, I did leave the beanie right here. Got the beanie that I did that I need to show in the tutorial. And then, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right. This light is right here, so let's just, hey, again, just like yesterday. Ignore all this bright light. Okay. So here is my second fingerless glove I worked on last night while I was watching the Las Vegas Grand Prix. So we have the first one done and everything, and then I finished crocheting the second one, and now all I have to do is I'm gonna have to let cats in because they're gonna be scratching during this tutorial. I don't have time for that. So anyway, all I have to do now is sew this together and then I'll be done. Which way am I gonna do it? This way, this way, this way. Which way? This way. This way. This way. It really honestly doesn't even matter, bro. Like this. Okay. I just want to make sure for my tutorial. Okay. Let me get my hook. I think that's all I need, honestly. Okay. Have this. Put this over here. And now it's time to put this camera on here. Guys, I am done with the tutorial, which is great. So, beanie done, fingerless gloves done. Literally took no time at all. It's so quick. I love it so much. But yeah, that's it for this video. Oh my gosh, that was really quick. But I got what I wanted to get done. Besides one more beanie, I was hoping to get one more beanie done before I had to post this video, but that's okay. I can get it done in the next video. So what to expect for the next video? I'm going to be editing. I have to edit this vlog, and then I have to edit the tutorials, and then I'm going to finish that beanie, write up the patterns for this, publish the patterns, and then get started on the second sample of my honeycomb sweater, film that tutorial as well. And then, yeah, so that is what should be happening in the next vlog, just to give you guys a little sneak peek. What I finished in this vlog, a beanie, another beanie. I am obsessed with this one just because it's in the darker color, and I love that you can still see the stitch so beautifully. Like, hello?
Hi.
That's Malika, guys. And then the fingerless gloves in the same stitch. I'm just obsessed with the set. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment a green heart down below if you made it this far. Don't forget my patterns. These patterns will be out soon, but my patterns are on Ravelry now and Etsy. Of course, links are down below in the description box. I can see you.
You can?
Yeah. That's alright, you'll be able to find all of my patterns all the time, and like I said, these patterns coming soon. Will they be out by the time this video comes out? No, that's tomorrow. No, they're not gonna be out by the time this video comes out. By the time the next video comes out, it will be out. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's where you can find my patterns. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and is that it? I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.